I look good. I look like babe.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra Latrice, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you're not, welcome back, boo. So today, I did a little video showing how I do my eyebrows. It's not the best that I can do, but I really need my brows done, but yeah. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, just continue watching. So hey guys, so yeah, what we're starting off today is freshly clean face, and like I said in the intro, bear with me because my eyebrows are not done, so it's gonna be harder for me to try to form a shape to make my eyebrows look sharp as ever. So what we're starting off is with our brushes is the Morphe M165 brush. It's an angled eyebrow brush. And then we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade in the color. I have two colors. I have ebony and dark brown. I use dark brown more than I use my ebony. I'm not for sure which one is the darkest one, but I use both. So, and then for to make my eyebrow look sharp for my concealer, I'm using my Morphe brush for that as well. It's just a flat brush that makes it more seamless and straight. So right now I'm dipping my brush into my pomade, and for this you don't really need a lot, because if you use a lot, it's going to make your eyebrow like darker and not like natural looking. So a little goes a lot. So right now I'm building my shape. I start in the middle, but like I said, since my eyebrows are not done, I need that extra support to build that shape. So I started to build my shape, and right now I'm getting there. I like the shape. It looks good. So, and I use a mirror to look into instead of my mirror on my vanity, because I like to be close when I'm doing my eyebrows, so I can control how it looks and see if I can fix any like mess ups or anything like that. And when doing your eyebrows, you need to take your time and physically look at it and go back and fill it and go back and fill it, and take your time. Don't try to rush your eyebrows, because that's the first thing people will see when you looks at you. I feel as though your eyebrows forms your face. So just take your time and don't rush it. And sorry if you can't see what I'm doing right here. Like I said, I like to be close to the mirror, and I really couldn't see what I was doing when I was when I was trying to have that eyebrow in the mirror, in the camera. So I'm sorry for that. So now what we're gonna do, I'm looking see if I like my brows, and like I said, they're not done, so they look kind of trippy to me right now, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So now I'm gonna take my concealer from Makeup Revolution. Is the color C13, I believe. I can't remember. C13 or C12. I have two of them. And I'm going to take my Morphe brush that I showed you in the beginning, and I'm going to apply that to the brush. And I'm going to start at the bottom first, shaping the, forming the shape and everything like that. And make sure, like I said, take your time. Don't rush, because if you rush, you're going to make your eyebrows look weird, and you're going to have to start the whole process over again. Trust me. I know. So my Makeup Revolution concealer was running out, so I had to switch to my MAC concealer that I haven't used in a while. It's kind of on a darker shade than I usually do for my eyebrows, but it had to. My Makeup Revolution wasn't doing any justice, so yeah. So now I'm finishing up on the top of the brows with the concealer. I can tell right now by me looking at it that it's not like the same one is bigger than the other. But that's going to happen at times. You're going to see that one eyebrow is bigger, and that's okay. Just fix it on, like, just try to fix it where nobody can really notice it. So now I think I'm looking for my blending brush so I can blend this concealer out so it can look nicely. Yup. So with blending my concealer out with my eyebrows, I do the tapping motion, and sometimes I slide, but that's when I'm big rushing. But I'm I'm doing a tapping and then blending it and everything like that. Make sure you completely blend. You don't want to leave no concealer marks, no nothing. You don't want your eyebrows to look like it's floating, like they're not on your face and everything like that. So make sure you blend precisely. What I'm going to be doing is taking my Anastasia eyebrow, the eyebrow brush, and I'm fixing up any like touches that I might need. Oh no, sorry. It's my Morphe. It's my Morphe brush. It's my Morphe brush. I'm sorry. Fixing up any imperfections that I might need, any places where it needs to be filled. Like I said, my eyebrows are not done, so they're not gonna look as what I'm used to when I do my makeup. So I try to fix them up where they can be like the same. And just make sure you just look at both eyebrows to see what you can fix and make that one look similar to the other. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you get some insight on how you can achieve some soft brows. So make sure you give a thumbs up to this video. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you leave a comment below. Bye guys.